Yeah, it is already 12:15. I just finished my driving lesson and not the best, not good today. I can't really control the speed. I'm not satisfied with the speed control. I mean the brake. Yeah, I have no plan today. Today is very windy outside. And I have some clothes out down there. Yeah, I'm not going to go anywhere. I will be just on my computer. Yeah, it's broken. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I am just waiting for the time. It is now 9:48 and my driving lesson today is 10 o'clock. And while waiting, I am reading something related to driving. This time I am reading the traffic signs, like reviewing. Yeah, some are not common. Some you see everywhere, some are not. Okay. Okay, I'm going to chuck this in the bin. You know what? Every time I go out, the driving instructor is always outside already. Yo, we are now here in Stockton Beach area, here in Newcastle. My driving instructor is in the toilet at the moment. In the toilet. Yeah. Yeah, so basically the car is now in this mode and park, but I don't know if I can take my put off the brake. Yeah. And today was the first time that I drive with the 80 km/h speed along the highway. Yeah, in the very first few minutes of me in the 80s, in the 80 kilometers, it was scary. My chest is pumping, but later on, yeah, I get used to it. I'm comfortable because the driving instructor is here, nice. Should I take my foot off the brake? No, I don't know. There is a basketball court here at the back of that. That's the toilet. This is the toilet. That's the basketball court. Playground. Okay, that was a very good ride. Yeah, I'm still not looking in the side mirror and the mirror. I need to improve that. And we're doing 80 km/h in the highway. So basically the speed is 100, the limit is 100, and it's always 5 or 10 less. So in a 100 km/h speed limit, I drive 80 because 90 is my limit for the learners. So in the 70 km/h per limit, I drive 65 or 60. And I don't know why I can't walk properly now. Maybe the seat is not, I don't know. Again, it is so windy outside. And I'm going to prepare my wheel. Yeah, staying outside with that wind and cold is not good. If you go to backpacker guest house, yeah, usually these are the common food of the backpackers. Not instant noodles. They prepare this one because this one is healthier than the instant noodle. You'll see most of the Western people, they cook this one because all you need in here is just pasta and cheese and tomato sauce. And it is now 3:15. I am feeling bored. That's why we are going out. The time now is 2:30, and yeah, sunset will be at around 5 o'clock. And this one is new for the trolleys. Wow, beautiful car. Old one. Somebody to see, somebody to hold. Super windy. Yeah, but this wind is only here in Nelson Bay area because during my driving lesson we went to Stockton in Newcastle area, and there's no so much winds like this. Treat me right, be with you day and night, all I really want. You know, this is strong wind. It is started yesterday in the afternoon, and I don't know, but in the Philippines there is it's a flooding, heavy rain in the Philippines these days. And yeah, usually when there is a strong wind, it always comes with a heavy rain in the Philippines. Yeah, it's flooding in so many different countries these days. Oh, that's it. We are going now to the grocery. Yeah, my feet is feeling numb already. The small toe, very cold. Yeah, my toe is numb already. The small one. We are now here in the grocery, but I don't know what I am going to buy yet. Apple just $2.50. And we're going to take 3 of these. 3 pieces. This $3. So $1. $1 each. I also got this seafoods. Thank you. I got 2 handful. It's $5.79. And we're going to take 4 of this. This just 85 cents. We are going to take 1 of this. This just $2.75. We're going to take 1 of this. This is 6 pieces of meat pies. Home brand, $4. I still wanted to bike around, but yeah, the cold wind is not good. Today is Sunday, but there's not so much people around. Do you know that when I was new here in Nelson Bay, I always go to this way because this is the shortcut. But yeah, this is going up, and my bike before is normal push bikes. Okay. Yeah, it is now 6 o'clock. Oh, you've never seen this before, but this is now my room. So yeah, this is my room. Still not the best, but if you notice that one, Abrodero. Oh, this yesterday they did some kind of protest. Around 50,000 people in Sydney. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I am trying to print that photo. I actually bought a photo paper, the Kodak. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. maybe it's not compatible. I'm going to pull that later. My driving lesson today is 11 o'clock, so I still have time. And also later in the afternoon, I'm going to the tax accountant. Look at that, it doesn't work. Yeah, I really wanted to print this because it looks really beautiful. And maybe I'll put it there to display, but it's not working. I'm going to prepare my meal. Oh, this is chicken stock. It is defrosted now, and I add some water. Okay, I found this small piece of onion. I thought I don't have. The rice is boiling now, and I'm going to put this piece of egg inside. Ooh. And in here, I'm going to put a piece of broken egg. Yeah, this is it now. Yeah, and I will be just waiting for the time. And by 11, we are going for the driving lesson. Oh, I forgot that I want to put the milk. Okay, let it boil again. And this is my breakfast. It is now, 10 minutes to 10. Yo, it is now, 11:20, and my driving lesson today is, 11:30. Supposed to be, actually, the driving instructor sent me a message, but I missed it. I didn't see it. He said he wants to do the driving lesson by 10, but I didn't see the message. I didn't see it because I'm not with my phone. Yeah, that's why he adjusted it to 11:30. A must. Okay, we are home, and it is now 12:35. Yeah, I'm still doing errors, like especially the indicating that I am turning left or turning right. I am now free, but by 4 o'clock I have an appointment with the accountants. If you remember last time I mentioned to you about my tax regarding with my previous employer. Yeah, it's not yet settled. I am ready. I switch off the electricity. And I have my mask in my pocket. I have my things for the accountant ready. I see me so above the sky. And look at this. I noticed this car. This is a Jimny. Oh no, it's not. But it looks like a Jimny. Yeah, still Suzuki. Yeah, I was googling for that color. I think the color is forest green. It looks beautiful too. And yeah, I finished the things from the accountant, and I'm satisfied. I am very happy that I finally cleared all those things, the cryptocurrency, all those other earnings. So basically, here in Australia, every earning that you are earning must be declared. And if you remember, I bought some cryptocurrency. I bought it in 2017 for $500. From $500 it becomes $2,000, and about the $3,000 that ATO was asking me to pay, it was cleared and fixed already. So it was a ATO computation mistake that is related to my previous employer, where we work long hours, and in 2019 they paid us. I really appreciate the big help of the accountant. And this is how it is at the moment. It's still a little windy, a little cold. That is why not so much people. I still feel like singing along with the music. That's why we're going to that side first.